Hello friends, this is Liquid Banking Trainer ProSpiders Rajajinagar. Today we have with us one of our candidates who got placed in a good company. She is about to share her experience in ProSpiders.
I'm Harshitha. I'm from Vidya Sanskaar Institute of Science College Management. I've completed my BCom there and I've come for ProSpider in July 15th and I have a good experience in that. I have attended 3 classes: banking, SQL and personality development class. The banking class was taken by the Liquid sir. It was very interesting and he taught me how the bank works, and I didn't know how it works. Sir was explaining very nicely and he taught us how it's bank gonna work, and the boot camp and those things are very helpful to me and to build my knowledge and so that things. And we in the boot camp we have daily presentation, and that also we can they are asking some questions regarding what they are taught in yesterday's. In the boot camp we all are making presentation and we are making the answer those questions to the Liquids are only taking the boot camp classes, and the SQL classes is also very interesting and it's taught about how SQL works in companies and all those things. And personality development class was taken by the Niveda ma'am. It was also very good and it's built to get rid of stage fear. The ma'am always taught us English is very important in a corporate world, how gonna be the work it, and the ma'am was very kind and she makes us to feel good and make us to feel not afraid, speak those things for ma'am thought. That's it all.
Okay, so how many interviews you have attended?
2 interviews.
All the best. Have a wonderful career.